Hi, I'm Chris, and so I just turned 50 last year, and therefore the first colonoscopy came up, from a doctor's visit as something that I needed to do, and I'd never had one. So going into my first colonoscopy, of course, I had all of the usual, a bit of the fear of the unknown. What is it going to be like? What is the pain going to be like, if any? And people kept telling me that, you didn't have to worry too much about that. But again, it was my first time, so I had the typical fear of the unknown. And then in the prep for the colonoscopy, it it's a little bit to shake you up the night before anyway, because you go through that, all of those effects on your body that you experience. So when you go into the colonoscopy, then you know you're going to be put under anesthesia, which causes some concern. I found out about the Surgical Serenity headphones and decided that it certainly wouldn't hurt, and I wanted to see what degree it would help to calm my nerves and ease the anxiety. And so I wore them, and the anesthesiologist and the nurse assistants who were preparing or prepping me, they said that they had no problems with them because they were cordless and they, fit, just perfectly within, on the pillow and everything. I noticed when I put them on, first of all, the music, and so I was aware of the music, and it was calming, and I could see that it would be soothing. But the thing was, I stopped paying attention to the music. It was soothing me, and I wasn't paying attention to the actual notes. As I was talking to the doctor and the nurses, who were then started to apply the anesthesia and tell me that I was going to go under, the last thing I recall is that I had no issues at all. That I felt, ready to go, and I felt fine. And then I woke up. My wife was there, and I was smiling, feeling no pain, and I just felt completely relaxed. So the whole experience, from going under anesthesia and to recovering, I had no nausea or any recovery issues afterwards. So I will use the headphones absolutely for any surgical, and then I'll even try them for dental procedures as well.
Thank you.
Sure.